Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Data Analytics with Saeed. And today we're going to talk about is just business analysis codes and how we can code it. So today we're just going to talk about business analysis, how we as data analytics should do, and these are like all the codes we should do to to find the correlation map, total profit by item, and total profit by region and country. So first, what is correlationship, code correlation function, and how to code it? So it means how strongly two variables or data are each other. In Python, you can calculate the correlation between two sets of data using libraries like NumPy or Panda. So we are using, so first we do df.core, and the df.core as a parentheses, which should give us the heat map, like a heat map where it shows all of the, here, let me go back. So right here, if I go to my class, it says that it says that it shows how all of the correlations of each item is it like processing, does it have good high, does it have good revenue or not. So this is how it works. So right here you can see right here. This is the correlation map. So first we're gonna do df.core, which it just shows us all like the items and the units, order units, order ID, unit price, all of these shows like what is the relationship with them. You can see as one right here. Here's the order ID and this is the topic and these are like the items. So order ID with order ID is the same, so it has no change, so it's one. Units and order is different, so it has a very less high value. Price and order ID has also very low, which is good. Then I'll show you why. So first, then second, we're gonna do correlation underscore matrix equals df.core plt.figure fixed size is 10 and 6. And then we use SNS heat map correlation uh underscore matrix and not equals true C map and is cool warm. So cool or warm. Now line width is 0.5, just how big you should want the lines to be between each box. Title is correlation map, and when we show it, this is what it is. So the more blue it is, the more correlation, the less correlation it has, which is good, which means it has higher revenue and more profit. Order ID and order ID has no profit, so same. So as unit sold and unit sold, you can see unit price and unit price is the same. That's how it works. Now we're gonna talk about what is the total profit by item. So total profit by item is the concept of total profits by item in Python refers to calculating the profit for each individual type of item in a data set. Then summing those profits to analyze how much profit each type of item contributes. This helps you analyze which items are more profitable and can inform business decisions. So right here, total profit by item, df the group by item, df item type, and total profit dot sum, and largest total profit by item, total profit by item type. Now it shows cosmetics is the highest or the largest. So as in household is the second because we only show two. But even if we show five, cosmetic is first, household is second, and whatever the last three are being ordered. So it shows us what is the name, is total profit, type is float 64. Now we're gonna talk about how we can import it into graph. So we do import numpy as np, same thing, plt.figure is fixed size 10.4, sns bar block data equals df, comma x equals parentheses, quotation marks, item type, y equals quotation marks, total profit estimator np.sum plt dot total profit by item, that's the title, the Ticks, X tick means just the rotation of the name of the item. So vegetables, you can see it's all of them just in a 45-degree angle, positive, not negative. The X label, like the label for the X is item tab, which goes but what goes horizontal, and vertical is Y, which is total profit right here, and penalty dot show, we just show it, and this is what it gets. So you can see cosmetic is the first, then household is second. As we can see here, also here, it shows the same thing, just in numbers, but over here it shows in graph. Now we're going to talk about what is total profit by region and country. So is calculating region and country in Python helps you analyze how different geographical areas contribute to your overall profit. So in one area like California, it has a lot of housing. That's like the most overall profit they have. As in in Arizona, they probably have like food. As in Virginia, they have like cars. That's how it works. So when we click total profit by region, DF group by region, total profit, the sum largest three give us three of them. Sub-Saharan that has 121. We don't know what it has. Also here, cosmetics with it gives us 121. Over here, Sub-Sahara it's has the most value of 121 than Europe as in Asia. Now when we do it, this is what we get. When we do it in graph, we do the same thing. We remove X, we remove item type to region, and total profit to same. As if we change the title to total profit by region, rotation is the same. X label is region, Y label is total profit, and this is what we get. So now we're gonna talk about what and how to code profit margin Python. So it just involves calculating various profit margins to assess a company's profitability. Profit margin helps you understand how efficiently a business is generating profit at different stages of its operation. So let's see. So when we do DF profit margin equals DF total profit and DF total revenue, profit margin by item type equals DF dot group by item type is profit margin mean as a reset index, we will get we will get nothing because this is just getting the code. Then we print it over here, which it will give us DF profit and margin, which it's right here. Profit margin is 37.55. Let me just here. So profit margin, you can see in this one area, that's how big it's doing. In this area, that's how big it's doing. In this area, that's how big it's doing. All of that, all the way to 100, 0 to 100. You can also see the link is 100, so 0 to 100. Name is profit margin. Flow is flow 64. So profit margin by item type, we put that, now we look. Now, you know how I said it helps you understand how efficient a business is generating profit at different stages. So baby food is uh, doing this much, is processing this much profit, beverage is this much, cereal and clothes or household meat is this much. Shows us all in different type of items and how it works at the same time. So now we're gonna talk about how we can import it. So how we can import it in graph is we do the same thing. So we remove everything and we do data equals profit margin by item type equals X equals item type, Y equals profit margin. Same thing is estimator NP sum. Title is profit margin by item type. Rotation is 45. Labels X labels item type. Y labels starter profit. And then this is what it is. We get close the highest, then we will get zero the second highest. That's how it works. As you can see here. So worst cost, worst close, 67 and 0, 43. See? Also over here, 67 somewhere over there. So zero is like 40 right there and 43 somewhere there. So now we're gonna show head. So df.head is three. So it only gives us three columns. These are all like the regions. These are all the country, and this is all the items they produce the most. And this is the channel, which they're all. This is offline. This is both online. Like they're still working. Order priority, like what is the order? This is H, this is C, and L. And if we look, we will see that order ID, these are like the order ID, ship date is this date. All of these are what we're trying to work on. These are all like the stats or the information for like everything. Then we're gonna do how to code profitability and order priority and what it means. So it just means involves analyzing the profit generating from orders based on their priority level. So high, medium, or low. This can help you understand it if prioritizing certain orders leads to higher profit. So profitability by order property is profit by order property equals df dot group by order property total profit dot sum reset index. As in when we get the item, the function again or the data, we print it, and this is what we get. The highest is H, then it's L, C, and M. So see, that's how it works. Now we're gonna import it in a graph. So I've put the code here as well. You can also do it here. Import NumPy is import NumPy as the NP penalty.figure, same thing, 10.4. Data profit by order property or order property. And total profit is similar NP.sum, penalty.title, profit by order property. Rotation is 45. Same coding, just different values, order priority and total profit for Y, X is for order priority. And when we show it, this is what we get. You can see H is the highest and L is the second highest, which is medium. M is low and C is just zero, like very low. So on which order date was the highest revenue generated? Which let's see it. Now it's different. So order date highest revenue, DF dot group by, and order date equals total revenue dot sum smallest two order date highest revenue. So now this is the order date is the highest is the smallest is 2012. Okay, wait. So smallest is 2012 as in the uh second smallest is 2015. But we get it wrong here, but that's a we should get we should get the other I like we should get 2014 all of these. Another one is now we're gonna talk about now we're not gonna like code, but we're just gonna I showed you guys what and how to code highest revenue. So basically, it means to identify the maximum revenue value with a data set. This can be useful for analyzing your data and understanding which entry or record generated the most revenue, on which order there was the highest revenue, it was this. Well, first we did the smallest, and the largest will be I've probably done here. Just somewhere here, if I can see it. So I was talking about that was the highest revenue. If I don't have it on this one, then it's okay. I mean, these are like the highest. Oh yeah, so largest over here, cosmetic. This is just profit. Let me see if I can find. Okay, so type profit right here. region. So which one did I get wrong? Highest revenue. So we have to find highest revenue, which is somewhere right here. If it isn't, it's okay. Right here, highest revenues, smallest. Here, let me do largest real quick. See, the highest is 2017 and 2015. So that's how it works. Now we're going to talk about submit the conclusion. This is all what we have to do as a data analyst. So first, what we just summarized was submit all result and conclusion that we have find out till now. There's a linear relation between unit price and unit cost. Sub-Sahara region has the highest order count. Top performing region on the basis of total revenue is Sub-Sahara region. Least performing is North America. Best selling is cosmetic. List is meat. Total revenue by region is Asia. Total profit by item type is cosmetic. Profit margin highest for clothes, and it has the highest order property. So this is how we can conclude. So some recommendation we can do is we have to focus our sales and serve at North America region because there's a lot of it has very least, so we have to really focus on that. We can either improve it, our products with me, or we can just remove it. Rest of for the items, we have to focus on the product quality and ship date. So that's all we learned about today. What is how we can code business analyst and what is business analyst. And I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and have a great day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.